In this video, I will show you how to simply verify your JD Shopping app identity. Most time, if your order keep getting cancelled on JD, or you find it difficult to make payment on JD, or find it difficult to navigate the JD app, this is as a result of identity verification. And in this video, I'm going to show you on how to verify your identity to stop all this problem of your JD Shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. Open up your JD.com or JD Shopping app. Whether you are using iPhone or you are using Android phone, you can simply get this thing done without any stress. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taobao, JD.com, Shein, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon right here to proceed to your profile. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to choose your identity type. Go ahead and click on here. So there are different means of identity you can use right here. And then in my own hand, I'm going to use ID card right here. Select ID card. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and enter the name on the ID card right here. Then go ahead and enter the ID card number, the number on your ID card. So it can be international passport, driver's license, as the case may be. You can see the example of how the number should be. So go ahead and enter your ID number. So once you enter your ID number, the next thing you want to do is to simply click on here to proceed, and your account is going to be fully verified, and all the problem of identity issue is going to be fixed in your JD Shopping app. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to source and ship from China using JD Shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.